Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make gourmet salad. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need avocado, walnuts, bacon, lettuce, onions, tomatoes, salt, ground black pepper, and then for the dressing is we have 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed, sesame oil, and then 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Okay, to start, I already started earlier the chopping of or slicing the onion. So I have still a little one, so I'm gonna chop it, the last one, or slice it. Okay, so that's the onions, and then tomatoes. Okay, by the way, we're gonna put it here, the chopped onions, in the bowl like that. Okay, I washed it all already earlier, so this one is the tomatoes. We put it here. It's nice if I have a cherry tomatoes, but I do not have, and it's super expensive also, the cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes we chop only into half. Okay, so we're done with the tomatoes. And then next, the avocado. We need only one, but I let Jason buy 2 just in case if there's something wrong with the first. Oh, okay, it's okay. So I just put 1. Okay guys, and now we're gonna slice the avocado into half, and then like this, like that. Okay, so we put it here. Put it here, and then next is we're gonna chop the walnuts. I'm gonna heat up. We're gonna slice the lettuce. Okay, use scissor na lang. Okay, so that one is to be used later. Okay, so next I'm going to slice the bacon also. Okay, we're gonna put it here first. Okay. mixer so that it's fast. I fried this onion earlier, so this is cooked already. I think that's enough. Okay, so we're gonna put the first the rest. Okay, these nuts, walnuts. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, this one we're gonna put it here because ingredients. Okay, we're gonna put the bacon and then the walnuts. Okay, mix the dressing. Okay, so 7 tablespoons or 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and then 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, because I'm out of olive oil, so I add sesame oil. Okay. Okay, and the next 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Okay, and then black pepper. And then salt. Okay, not so much. There's no need because the bacon is gone. So okay, so I'm gonna put this on in the bowl, and then we're gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna get a spoon. guys, we're gonna put it there. Put it over here. And before I forget, I'm gonna put Parmesan cheese. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our gourmet salad. Okay. Okay. So this is our gourmet salad. It's very yummy, guys. Okay guys, okay, that's our gourmet salad. Guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, dBroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram, and to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, personal blog, to all my to my personal blog, Delia Valentine, to all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.